Semester 2. Course Code, MS2PC3. Philosophy of Education. Unit 1. Fundamentals of Philosophy of Education. Meaning and concept of philosophy of education. Philosophy and education. Relationship between education and philosophy. Significance of philosophy of education. Branches of philosophy, scope and functions of educational philosophy. Unit 2. Fundamental philosophical domains. Fundamental philosophical domains. Epistemology, metaphysics, axiology. Education and metaphysics, education and axiology. Unit 3. Indian schools of philosophy. Contribution of Indian schools of philosophy, Sankhya, Vedanta, Buddhism, Jainism, with special reference to Vidya, Dayanand Darshan, and Islamic traditions towards educational aims and methods of acquiring valid knowledge. Unit 4. Western schools of philosophy. Contribution of Western schools of thoughts, idealism, realism, naturalism, pragmatism, Marxism, existentialism, and their contribution to education with special reference to information, knowledge, and wisdom. Unit 5. Contributions of educational thinkers. Western thinkers, Dewey, Rousseau, Montessori, Froebel, Plato, and Confucius.
Tinker, Swami Vivekananda, Sir Aurobindo, Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Radhakrishnan, J. Krishnamurti.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe for more educational videos.